In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla map not loading or working properly in your Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or other Tesla models. If the navigation map is frozen, blank, or not functioning as expected, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by ensuring your Tesla has a strong internet connection. The map relies on Wi-Fi or cellular data to load and function correctly. Check if your car is connected to the internet by going to controls greater than Wi-Fi or cellular settings. If the connection is weak or unavailable, try reconnecting to a Wi-Fi network or ensure your cellular data plan is active. Next, reset the car's systems by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, test the map again to see if it starts working. If the map still isn't loading, check for software updates. Go to Controls, Software. Check for updates and install any available updates. Outdated software can cause issues with the navigation system or map functionality. For situations where the map appears distorted or incomplete, clear the cache by performing a full power cycle. Hold down both scroll wheels for 20 to 30 seconds until the car powers off completely. Then release the buttons and allow the car to restart. This process clears temporary files that may be causing the issue. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with the GPS module, map data, or touchscreen hardware. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla map not loading issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.